Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can apply video transitions to your video all at once in CapCut PC. So to do that, you are just going to select the transitions page here, and you're going to select the transition that you want, maybe this black fade. I'm going to add it to one of the videos first, and here there's going to be an apply to all. Let me just add more videos. Apply, whoops, not that much. There is an apply to all section. So I'm just going to select this and oops, where's that video transition? Here I'm going to add in the black fade. It's already there. I'm just going to select the video transition real quick, which is here. I'm going to adjust the duration as well. And here I'm going to select apply to all, and the video transition will be applied to all of your clips at once. And it will be the same duration and video transition, so keep that in mind. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.